I know I say this a lot, but I got really excited about this knife. It is one fancy knife, and I'm happy I got it. Let's see what's in the box. I already tore the box open because I was so excited. This is a Cangshan knife, and they have a lot of knives. They have a really nice website as well. This is an SF knife for use in commercial kitchen, and I've had it out of the box already, and I just love this thing. It is so nice. I hope you can see this. Oh, you can see me. It comes with a scabbard. It is a very nice knife. I plan on using this for years. Thank you for watching.